it up. Whatever's got me down, I'm gonna lift it up. Whatever's got me down, 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 living inside my head, fortress of doubt, like a prisoner. I'm seeing no way out, but I'm reaching up. There's no way I'm staying here. And I remember when my heart was free, and I could change the world we don't wanna be. And there's a lesson here, I am what I believe. Gonna lift it up, whatever's got me down. 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 And I know life, it ain't easy. I've come so far, and I just can't give up now. There's a reason I'm alive, and I know it's worth the fight. And right now, I can't feel it, but I choose to believe it. I've gotta change my mind, and it's gonna change my life. Gonna lift it up, whatever's got me down. 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 I'd be lying if I said it was easy. this path I'm walking on. Whoa, whoa. I've been crying out, does anyone hear me? 'Cause it sure feels like I'm alone. Have you ever wondered if it's all worth it? All those dreams you carry in your heart. Whoa, whoa. All the times that you question your purpose. I know I've been there for a while, but there is a soul rising from the ashes. And there is a hope, it's bigger than my fears. And there is a love stronger than my failure, and it's calling me higher. So higher I will go. It's gonna take some time to get there. You gotta fight for what you love. Whoa, whoa. Gotta keep on pushing forward, showing the world what you're made of. And there is a song rising from the ashes. And there is a hope, it's bigger than my fear. There is a love stronger than my failure, and it's calling me higher. So higher I will go. Oh, oh, oh. So higher I will go. Oh, oh, oh. So higher I will go. Oh, oh, oh. 'Cause you're calling me higher. So higher I will go. Oh, oh, oh. So higher I will go. Oh, oh, oh. So higher I will go. Oh, 'cause you're calling me higher. Rising from the ashes, so much bigger than my fears. Oh, 'cause you're calling me higher. Living in a world where so much is going on, it's hard to even hear myself think and hear my heartbeat. And I don't think I can handle one more dose of bad news. It just seems like one thing after another, and I'm tired